Today I'm going to show you how to change your Calendly email quickly and easily. If you recently got a new email address, changed jobs, or just want your Calendly account connected to a different inbox, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account using a web browser. You can do this on a laptop or desktop, and once you are in, you'll land on your Calendly dashboard. From here, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon or avatar there. Click on that icon to open your account menu. Once the menu appears, look for account settings. Depending on how your account is set up, you may also be able to go directly to your login preferences page. Either way, you want to get to the area where Calendly lets you manage your sign-in details and account email. After you open the correct settings page, find the Change Email button. This is the option you'll use to update the email address connected to your Calendly account. Click Change Email and Calendly will open a field where you can enter your new email address. Now type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure it's correct before you continue because this is the email Calendly will use for account access and verification. After entering it, click Continue. At this point, Calendly will ask you to choose a verification method. You may be given a few options depending on your account settings, but in many cases you can simply choose to send a code to the new email address. If you see that option, select it so Calendly can confirm that you really own the new inbox. Then go to your email inbox and look for the verification code or confirmation message from Calendly. If it doesn't show up right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there. Once you find the message, copy the code or follow the verification link provided. Back in Calendly, enter the code if required, or complete the confirmation step from the email if that's the method you were given. After that, give it a little time to process the update. In some cases, the change happens right away, and in other cases, it may take a few minutes to fully update across your account. Once the process is complete, your Calendly account should now be connected to your new email address. That means future login notifications, account messages, and scheduling related emails will go to the updated inbox instead of the old one. A quick tip before you finish, always double check the new email address carefully before confirming, because if you type it incorrectly, you may have trouble receiving the verification message. Also, if this is a work account, make sure the new email is one you can continue to access long term so you don't get locked out later. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your Calendly email. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.